Hey guys, last time I made this, I don't know, it's like a music, thing, and then there's a pencil, so this is drawing and music, and combined, it's become this beautiful thing, and, one of my friends wanted to make it for, just draw it, and I thought it would be amazing to make it with clay. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. So at first I've made this flattened oval shape, this long snakish thing, and I cut off the ends and I rolled it a bit so they're becoming this roundish. Then I made a pointed thing. And look at my ugly nails. And then I'm having this flaggish thing. You see that it's going to be like that. And this one you're going to put it right there. And that's going to be the point. And there I painted it because I don't have any black clay or white clay. It's really stupid. And then I'm having this how do you call it? Yeah, I don't really know. Oh yeah, it's ecru. So I'm just like going to put the camera on a good angle, and I'm going to teach you how to put them together. Okay, and first I'm going to show you how I've cut my thing, and I just pressed it down with the back of a paintbrush. So I can just do this without my fingers getting in the way. So I'm just using this knifey thing, and now I just like cut it, and then I take it out and I'm going to smooth out the edges. Be right back. Okay, you see? So now I'm just going to build it up a bit. Oh, this isn't going to fit. So like so. And then you want them to blend those two together. And then you're wanting to blend this one in. And then take your ecru clay, take a little bit, and then take your red color. Oh, you couldn't see that. You're just putting it on. Make sure you add the red O in a cane, and then just roll it between your fingers. And just then put it down and press. Get that and roll a bit again. And then just fit it on there. Et voila. Okay, I'm going to put them together and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I made the music thing, but one thing you could do is just first take this, take the point, and put it on the thing, and then roll until it's like it's touched, and then make that and that part. But I'm just like I've rolled this out, and then I'm going to put more to that. I just cut off this piece. And then I just place them onto each other and just like mush them together. You may want to roll this thing between your fingers and press down again. Okay, now take a pointed tool and I'm trying to keep it in the camera, but just like cut like straight between those two colors, and where they touch you just want to cut through it so you'll get a nice edge. But just like make a stripe, and you could put a other color between them. See, like so. And then make another one like around the down piece. Yeah, that's a good idea. Like so. Now everything's turned out. Just cut a line straight through, and then you want to roll it a bit between your fingers, and then just like take it and just like make some small stripes. And you can't really tell, but there are some stripes. And look at this. This is my thumb, and this is the thing. It's my pinky. But yeah, have fun with this tutorial, and you can make lots of them. You make color pencils, or just plain ones. I'm now having two, and this one's a bit bigger. And you can paint the tip or do everything you want. Have fun, and bye bye!